Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Humok.
Good morning, kids. Welcome to Kids Station. Are you ready to read your Bibles? And 3, and 2, and 1. The Lord's teachings are perfect. They give you strength. The Lord's rules can be trusted. They make plain people wise. Psalm 19:7. God brought His people out with joy. He brought out His chosen ones with singing. Psalm 105:43. It was by faith that the people crossed the Red Sea, as if it were dry land. The Egyptians also tried to do it, but they were drowned. Hebrews 11:29. A man's pride will ruin him, but a person who is humble will be honored. Proverbs 29:23. The Lord is in His holy temple, so all the earth should be silent on His presence. Habakkuk 2:20.
This program is made possible by Mr. and Mrs. Rex and Jessica Gonzaga.